Hey you guys, I wanted to show you the little art trade that I did with ThanksXU, or also known as Vicky. She is here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below because I love her videos and her art a lot. So yeah, we did a little art trade. I actually already looked at what she sent me because I couldn't wait. But I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so I think this is a little print that she has available on her shop. It's super cute. I have been really wanting to get more prints of my favorite artists to put up on my wall or something, so there's that. She also left me a little note. This is her little thank you card for her shop. It's so cute. And then she sent me a ton of stickers, which I want to show you guys. So here's this one. It's so cute. This one is like the only glossy one. And then she sent me a bunch of matte ones. This Tamagotchi one. She sent me two little drinks with plants in them. And this little Dom sticker and Daisy May sticker. I love her art so much, as I have stated. She's such a huge inspiration to me. I will definitely link her channel and her Instagram down below because I definitely recommend you guys follow her. So yeah, thank you, Vicky. Okay, so I have quite a bit to show you guys, but I think I have finally made some clay pins that I want to sell. So this is what the eggs are looking like. These are all the ones that haven't been glazed, and these are going to be little loaves of bread. I just have to finish painting them before, but yeah, it looks like these are going to be clay pins that I sell. And I also have all these keychains. I already showed you guys these Totoro ones, but I have all of these that are going to be a part of the shop update, which I'm really excited about. I especially love like these little mini ones. I think they're really cute. But if you don't know, my shop update is July 3rd, so this will be available July 3rd along with all these pins and such. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys because all of these came in today and yesterday. I didn't film at all yesterday because literally all I did was coat clay pins in resin, and I have quite a few little egg ones done, but I still have quite a few to go. I still have like 10 more egg ones to do, and I also finished painting the little baguettes. I have to put the backings, super glue the backings, and then I'll do the resin on those. I don't know why the resin process takes so long, but it just does. Just getting it dry and getting the coating as even as possible and everything, it just takes forever. That's literally all I did yesterday, so I didn't film because it would have felt really repetitive. So yeah, but this week has been just finalizing designs and such, and then next week I will literally just be producing the products. I'm going to be printing out the stickers and cutting them. I'm going to be making the tote bags, which I'm really excited about. I can show you guys the little Cricut press that I bought, which is super handy. But yeah, I'm really glad to be back on my work motivation groove. I feel much better after last week and stuff like that, so yeah. Also, my nails are so gross because of working on the pins. The sanding and everything is just a lot of working with your hands, so my nails are disgusting, and I'm waiting to get these pins done so I can fix my nails. So this is the little Cricut Easy Press 2, and I have it in the 9x9 size, and that's what I'm using to put the designs onto the tote bag. Right now I'm just weeding all the parts that don't go on the design because my Cricut machine just cut it, and then I am going to press it onto the tote bag. less yellow, but
yeah,
it still
looks, yeah. Like definitely where the roots were yellow,
it's not yellow anymore. So it is the next day after I dyed my hair. Current Paloma, the day that you're seeing this video, this is me today. I just wanted to show you guys my hair. I did one streak on the underside here. I was going for a like dark warm gray and I ended up with this. It's obviously not a dark warm gray, it's close but it's not. But I know it's really hard to get to gray or silver in one day, so you know I'm gonna be patient. You know, I know it's gonna take a little bit more work, and since it's not my whole head, it doesn't bother me. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys my hair, and I just wanted to thank you for watching. I never really do outros for my vlogs, but here's one. Thank you for watching. Shop update is next week. I'm super excited. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you actually on Wednesday because I'm going to be uploading my business video, how to run an art business, how I run mine actually. So yeah, I will see you then.